Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can evidently see, I'm quite decked up today because I have to head out for a mehendi night of a very close friend. So I'm quite excited about this get ready with me today because I'm doing this after a really long time. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. I'm starting off with some good skincare because in order to achieve flawless makeup, our skin should be well taken care of. So washing away all the dirt from the face using a face wash, after which I'm also going to pamper my face using a face mask. Now I think a clay mask helps in absorbing all the excessive moisture from your face, and it also improves the overall texture of the skin. It's a great way to pamper your skin before a special night. I feel that pampering the hair is also very imperative because lush healthy hair make a lot of difference to your entire look. I've been using Bare Anatomy's Expert range from the past 2 weeks. It's a line of high performance hair care with the ultra smoothing shampoo, hair mask and hair serum, and all these products are dermatologically tested. They're free from parabens, sulfates and phthalates. They're cruelty free and absolutely vegan. The ultra smoothing range has a shampoo as the first step, so using your fingers massage the shampoo into your scalp and hair strands. This entire range is powered by QT charge technology that restores smoothness and texture by 27%. These products target specific Indian hair concerns, focusing on beyond surface level application to work on the actual root cause, which is why I really prefer this range by Bare Anatomy. Rinse your hair well with cold water and pat dry before you apply the mask. And by the way, I really like the super pleasant fragrance that these products have. Now once you've pat your hair dry, you can apply the hair mask on semi-damp hair along the lengths of your hair, avoiding the scalp. Also, this range's hero ingredients are omega-3, 6 and 9, phytosqualane, carbohydrate complex and niacinamide. Now these ingredients act as nutrition and essential vitamins to the hair, which provide nourishment to the scalp as well as strength, leaving the hair with a glossy sheen. This has not only helped repair my hair, but I have noticed so much difference in my hair from before. It has helped my hair combat dryness, prevent any sort of damage, and also it helps my hair retain a lot more moisture than before. Once the entire wash is done, I'm applying the ultra smoothing hair serum on towel dried hair from mid-length going towards the tips. The hair serum is absolutely non-greasy and non-oily, and it gets absorbed very instaantly. This is something that I really like about this hair serum. So I will allow it to sit for some time and then I will style my hair as per my choice. I've been using this from 2 weeks and I have noticed how my hair has completely transformed from being dull, damaged and coarse to smooth, shiny and much more healthy. I'm sure you can evidently see how smooth, lush and healthy my hair is looking, and honestly I can't stop touching my hair. Now on well moisturized skin, I'm going to start off with some makeup. I'm applying a concealer under my eye area just to brighten this part of the face. I'm also going to apply this on the center of my face, like the bridge of the nose, the center of my forehead, Cupid's bow, and I'm just going to blend everything really well. And also, considering that it's so humid and hot, it is really important to set the makeup using a compact powder. To add some dimensions to my facial structure, I'm going to contour my face and also my nose. To add some color, I'm just splashing some pink color on my cheeks. I'm going to keep the eye makeup really subtle and simple, so I'm just applying some brown shadow on my eyelid, and I'm also going to just apply some glitter, which is actually my highlighter, on the center of my lids. Highlighting my face, and I'm moving on to the lipstick. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a good coat of mascara just to add some volume and length to my lashes. Now once the makeup is all done, I'm wearing this red stoned necklace with matching earrings, and I think this is complementing my outfit really well. It's a pre-draped sari skirt that I'm wearing. It's extremely comfortable and stylish to wear for such occasions when you want to glam up but don't want a hassled outfit. I'm wearing a flat pair of jutis so that I'm able to dance as much as I want. Also wearing my favorite perfume, and I'm ready. So this is my entire look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun shooting this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. And do not forget to check out the description box below because that's gonna have all the product details. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.